Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to export WhatsApp chat from one phone to another phone. If you want to see your WhatsApp chat in your another phone, you need to export your WhatsApp chat as a PDF. How you can do that? For this one, you need to open WhatsApp. And then you have to select the contact whose WhatsApp chat you want to export as PDF. And then at the top right side you will see three dots. You have to click on it and then click on more, and then here you will see second last option, export chat. Click on it, and then here you will see two options, without media, included media, and then here you will see two options, without media, include media. That means you want to export chat including all the videos, audio that you have sent or received, everything you want to include. If you want to include, then you have to select the right option, include media. If you don't want to include media, videos, photos, audio files, you just need only the text messages which you have sent or received, then you have to select the first option, without media, and we'll click on without media. If you need with media, you can use include media option. We'll click on without media, and then you have to wait for a while, let it to convert all of your chat into PDF, and then you have to click on Gmail, and then it will automatically convert all of your WhatsApp chat into PDF, and it will automatically also attach the same chat file to email. Now you have to type the email address of your second phone. So after entering the email, you just have to click on send tab. So in the same way, you can also convert your WhatsApp chat into a PDF file. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.